Okay, guys, so we're gonna start. So I'm gonna solve. So we're doing Laplace transform. We're gonna do the Laplace of sine 2t. Okay. So for this, we're gonna do, by definition, the Laplace transform is integral between 0 and infinity, e to the minus st sine 2t dt, right? So now we go and solve it by integration by parts, right? So we make u equals and dv equals. So what do you want to do? What do you want to be for u? So probably you can try either way. When I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do sine of 2t, and dv I'm gonna do e to the minus st dt, right? Therefore du equals what? 2 cosine 2t, right? dt. Therefore ub is what? E to the negative st divided by negative s. So this is my substitution for that integral. So I'm just gonna replace. This is my integral. So it's u times b. So I go sine of t, sine of 2t times e to the minus st over minus s, and I can write here from 0 to infinity minus the integral of b du. So we write probably 2 cosine of 2t e to the minus st over minus s dt, right? That's b du. So please help me to check. Is that right? b du. So we take this. So we can verify this. So this integral is between 0 and infinity, no? So now we need to check this. So we change it here. So this from 0 to infinity. So this limit is for t or for s? For t, right? So s is a constant. So what is this going? So if I find when t goes to infinity, what is this limit going? Second? 0. So notice that this one you have sine of 2t. So sine of 2t is oscillating, right? So sine of 2t is like this. But then you have e to the minus st. So that changed the graph. So e to the minus t is decreasing. So the graph of this function is going to be something like this. So s is just a constant, so we don't care about it. So when this is going to infinity, the whole thing is going to 0, right? So this is going to be 0 minus, I plug in at 0. So when I plug in at 0, what do I get? 0. Because sine of 0 is 0. So this is 0. So now I take here plus 2 over s, integral of 0 to infinity, cosine of 2t, e to the minus st dt. Right? Second?
You just took out the constants 2 and s?
Yes, I took them out. So So now what do we have to do?
Integration by parts.
I have to do integration by parts again. Right? So now we go again and do integration by parts. So what is gonna be u? What is gonna be dv? So it worked once. We just keep doing the same similar substitution, right? So if it works once, you just keep doing it the same. You don't want to change, otherwise kind of break the symmetry of the thing, right? So u is cosine of 2t, and du equals what?
2 sine 2t.
Negative 2 sine 2t, right? dt. And then dv will be what? E to the negative t dt, right? So v will be what? Divided by negative s. So this is my substitution, right? So now I just replace. So we don't want to forget the 2 over s. So let's just write it over here. So 2 over s integral 0 to infinity of cosine 2t e to the minus st dt equals u times b. So this guy, u times b. So cosine 2t times e to the minus e to the minus. So I think my battery of the pen is not really good. Let's see. E to the